So, yeah, let's start from your introduction, ma'am. How do you
Hi,
join?
sure. So you want me to take through my career journey?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, everybody. So this is myself, Shalini. Um, I have completed BSc Mathematics with MBA at Coimbatore Ramakrishna Engineering College, and I just passed out on completed my MBA in 2019. In the same year, in the month of May, I joined IBM as a HR. So my specification in MBA was HR with operations. So I joined as a HR executive in IBM India Private Limited, and I worked for a year, and then I moved internally to a technical team because I want to know more about the technical field in the same company. So with the help of the other HRs and my colleagues, I moved as a technical analyst associate in the same IBM company. Then I promoted as a senior associate in the same company, and IBM has been splitted into two. That's Kyndryl. Kyndryl is a part of IBM. So now I'm with Kyndryl. Then I got a promotion as a quality analyst, and last year I was promoted as a subject matter expert. Now I'm with the same company since 2019. I think it's more than 5 years now. So I'm a senior quality analyst now. So every year I had a career growth like promotions and different levels. So now I'm a senior quality analyst with the same company, Kindred.
Yeah, that's
I work for
nice
Mc.
to hear, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Tell about your work experience, ma'am. So here, as a work, when I just joined HR, uh, I thought HR is only taking people into a company, that is recruitment. But only when I got into IBM, I came to know there is five part of HR team who is working. So in recruitment, there is background verification, onboarding, and there is a lot of internal department that will be 5 to 6 department. So I worked in background check and also in onboarding, but not in recruitment. So when we just tell specific work, when we get into it, there is a different teams will be involved. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, could you share any guidelines for us to work as for starting for a fresher or in joining in a company as an intern?
Yeah. So what you can do is you have all the Udemy and LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great platform, and Udemy. That's also a very important one. In our company, we have our own learning portal, so we can learn over there. But for all you freshers, they have very free courses and very good quality. They have Udemy. It has, so you can learn some courses through that. And nowadays, everything is available on YouTube. Also, you can go through it. Knowledge is very important than your academic scores. Academic scores is also important, but you should have that knowledge. So be specific in something. So I think you everybody is from technology engineering background. Take one specific thing. There is so many things like AI, AWS, nowadays cybersecurity, networking, everything is booming. So take a specific topic or a field and learn about it. You can complete many certifications. Google is offering certifications, so you
Yes,
can
ma'am. I'm completing AWS certificate, ma'am.
AWS. That's a very good one.
Okay, ma'am.
That you can do
And
that.
also ethical hacking certificate also completed.
Okay, okay. If you know ethical hacking and all, you can just concentrate on networking and cyber security. That is a very good field. If you're very interested in security and networking, you can concentrate on that, Saranam. And DevOps, Linux, Unix. There are a lot of fields in IT. You can learn. You should learn about it.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, anyone else?
What advice would you give someone looking to enter your industry, ma'am?
So see the industry in a wide manner. Okay, do not just get stuck in one single topic. because in IT there are so many non-IT jobs where a 12th completed student can do when they just get a training. But if you have a broad knowledge and out of the box thinking, if you have only that kind of mind, you can survive in IT because your very uniqueness will work. You should know something better than your other teammates. So out of the box thinking, and you should know more things. You should update yourself day by day. If you're concentrating and studying about one particular topic, like how Sarana told it's AWS, you should check on every day. You should get updates and just improve yourself. So continuous improvement. That is the important thing for this generation. You should improve your knowledge every day. That will help you. And your interest. You should be interested with what you're studying.
Okay, next one. Who else are they?
What skill do you find most valuable in your position?
So the leadership, because I, as a quality analyst, I should maintain a team of at least 15 to 20 people as a one individual. So I should be both strict and should be lenient also. I should just have an individual concentration on everybody in the team. I should know about their skills. So I should know about everybody over there. So what leadership is like, we should also work with the team together and move on. And also there will be a lot of politics in IT and everything will be there. So if you know about something, share your knowledge, but keep your specific knowledge with you. So if you teach 100% to somebody, you should be specific. Without you, a team should not survive. If you are on a leave, they should wait for a report. If somebody can prepare a report and give it to you, there is no individuality or importance for you will be in the team. So you should always make sure if you are not there, the work shouldn't be done without you. That is importance. You should create importance in your team. So only if example, Shanmati is there, only she can do the work. If she is not there, we do not have any replacement. That kind of importance, that kind of individuality you should create in IT.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, anyone else?
Ma'am, can we all follow up with you in the future for further guidance?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And yeah, it's nice to have you in our interview, ma'am. And thank you so much for connecting us and spending your valuable time with us. So yeah, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, guys, and all the best for everyone of you. If in doubt or
Thank you,
anything,
ma'am.
you can contact me or ping me on LinkedIn or somewhere. Okay. All the best. Do well. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.